Jai Hind and welcome to a brand new channel, Lookbook, where learning is unconfined. Guys, have you ever wondered that why earthquake occurs or why stars twinkle or what is geography? If not, then you are at right platform. Your one and only destination Lookbook, where learning is our motto. So let's kick off. Guys, geography is a word that is not anonymous to us. But do we actually know the meaning of geography? If not, then now is the time. So, the term or subject geography is the mixture of two different words that are geo, which means earth, and graphy, which means description. And this sums up that if we are talking about geography, it means earth description. So understand guys, geography equals to earth description. So in geography, we won't be talking about Mercury, we won't be talking about Venus and many other planets. The only thing we would talk about in geography is our mother planet, that is Earth. So geography not only discusses about Earth description, two deals with the phenomenon on Earth, which are weather, thunder, erosion, decomposition, earthquake, and volcanic eruption. Now try to know the meaning of this phenomenon. Friends, about weather, let's understand about weather. So what actually weather is? Weather actually is a natural phenomena which actually brings changes to the atmosphere. Now, let me ask a question. Have you ever wondered that how a rather a lava turns into magma? Have you? It's only due to weather. Now, let's talk about erosion. What actually erosion is? The process erosion is actually a removal of that uppermost layer of the earth. Now, the question that would be raising in your mind is what is the uppermost layer of the earth? The uppermost layer of the earth is soil. Understand it very clearly. The uppermost layer of the earth is soil. So, what actually is erosion? Erosion is a phenomena or is a process in which the uppermost layer of the earth gets reduced. This actually is erosion. Now, there are two different things, or rather two main things which have to be dealt in this natural phenomena. This earthquake and volcanic eruption. Friends, I won't be talking about earthquake and volcanic eruption in detail in this video because I would be presenting a brand new video on geomorphology, which I would discuss about earthquake and volcanic eruption thoroughly, and I'm pretty sure that I will clear all your doubts about earthquake and volcanic eruption in my section of geomorphology. But let's try to understand in basics that what actually is earthquake and what actually is volcanic eruption. So, friends, earthquake. Earthquake is actually a tremors and vibrations on the surface of the earth. That means the vibration which occurs on the surface of the earth is actually called the earthquake. Understand? Now, about volcanic eruption. This photo deals with volcanic eruption. So, what is volcanic eruption? Volcanic eruption is a process in which lava erupts out. Erupts out, that means lava comes out of a structure which is called a volcano, and the thing which comes out, it is called lava. Now, in this picture, you can see that the red things or the red substance that is coming out is actually a lava. Now, I have told you earlier, this lava is turned down into a magma by a process called weather. So, understand it very clearly. The phenomena on Earth are actually interrelated to each other. Understand that is in volcanic eruption. After volcanic eruption, rather, the process that take place is weather. Understand? Now the next thing is about geography, about division of geography. So understand, geography is divided into two major parts that are physical geography and human geography. Okay, that are physical geography and human geography. So let's change the color. It's becoming monotonous. So now it's time to change color. It's good now. Yeah. So about physical geography and human geography. In physical geography, It is a specified study of natural phenomena that makes up the environment, such as river, such as mountain, such as landform, such as weather, such as climate, soils, and plants. So, physical things, that means which are occurring on our environment, actually the process or the phenomena that are occurring on our environment is actually comes under physical geography, and these are plants that are present on our atmosphere, soils, climate change that occurs, weather, landforms, mountains, river, everything that comes is physical geography. That now is human geography. Human geography is actually a branch of geography which deals with the human activity efforts or is influenced by the earth's surface. That means, understand guys, in earth you all know there are more than 210 plus countries. So in different countries there are different culture, there are different population, there are different politics, there are different ethnic values, there are different language, and about all these different things we would read in human geography. So friends, this was my first module on geography for beginners. My next video on would be about landforms, about basics terminologies in landforms, which actually a problematic situation for beginners. So I would try to make your geography session a fruitful one. So till then, stay safe and stick to lookbook. Thank you very much.